Well, good morning. Rob B here from beautiful, cool Carrollton, Georgia this morning. We struggling a bit with our N-gauge. We're trying to keep it on the track, if you know what I mean. I like my N-gauge. I don't spend much time with it, and the couplers don't seem to work very well. I just had a Bachmann engine that one of the older N-gauge. Just when it gets hot, it won't run anymore. So I guess it's about time to go out and get me another Caddo or an Atlas. There's a cover from my Santa Fe Bachmann. It's a nice engine. It gets hot, it won't run. That Caddo. One of the newer engines I bought. It'll pull all day. It's a good engine. Could put a chip in that thing and get some sound out of it. I've never tried to do much with the sound. And I don't feature much theme. This 060 Santa Fe Bachmann, I bought it for the track and the cars. Some of the Bachmann N-gauge rolling stock is pretty nice. It's metal wheels, but I tell you, their engines they just don't last very long. And like I said, I don't concentrate a whole lot on the N-gauge. Takes up less room. My village is not exactly prototypical. I'm running a lot of HO scenery in here with my N-gauge because I got to have a place to put it. Not really doing a whole lot of scenery wise. But it looks good, just sitting there. I may take that Bachmann engine apart and see what happens. Usually when you take them apart, my eyes are not that great as far as working on this N-gauge. I have a real hard time with the small couplers they have on these things. If you don't get your track exactly right, they will derail in a second. Not enough re-railers in the world to keep these things on the track. That F7 Santa Fe, I bought that last year. It's a pretty good engine, although it's Bachmann too. I bought it a set. But I said we're gonna go down and find us a new locomotive, I think. Some more rolling stock. Put a little bit more back into it. I'm tired today from staying up to watch the schoolyard fight, or what they call it, the debate last night. Pretty interesting. But I could have watched it all again. I'll listen to my buddy Rush tell about it today. Wouldn't have to watch it. I probably won't watch any more of those. I hope y'all have a safe day and try to stay warm. 50 degrees here in Georgia. It's a little bit on the chilly side. So we'll catch you later after we get some more N-gauge equipment to feature here.